worksheets into the MATLAB using the import tool as well. Let's see before importing the worksheet into the MATLAB how exactly this XLX file looks like. For example, in this Excel file, you have the column headers over here, which has the value of strings. Here you have in the row wise, the value is at the string. Here you have the values as numerical. Now for an example, I say import data. This is analogous to the importing of text data that we have seen in our previous video. I click on worksheet function and then I say open. This is going to open the import tool wizard where it is going to populate every rows and vectors of the XLX sheet. Now as we see that by default the range is selected over here for the entire XLX file. We can specify a range here as we want. For an example, I would not like to include the last column. I can drag this like this. Moreover, for the cells which are having not a valid value, you can replace those with NaN, or you can replace those with blanks with suppose 0. In that case, the cells which has no value over here would be replaced by the blanks. By default, the selected uh, the selected type is column vectors over here. We can select that as a numeric matrix as well. For example, you can go and you can select the range as complete over here. Let's see. Right now, when I hover over this field, it says NaN. That means that because of the numeric matrix, this is the string data. It is not going to get imported. If I hover back at the column vectors and when I hover over here, so it doesn't show any NaN value. That means that this column will get imported. So depending on the categories of the resulted vectors or numeric matrix or cell array, it is going to it is going to basically result out whether that column or row is gonna get imported or not. For an example, if you would like to import that column as well. However, you do not have a particular value. So in that case, if you select a numerical matrix, click on here replace. If these are unimportable cells with NaN or blanks with whatever value over you would want or whatever value you would want to replace. The red color over here signifies that this is the unimportable cell when you select the numeric matrix. When I select the column vectors, this goes to back to the normal mode. This concludes the importing spreadsheet to the MATLAB section. Moreover, additionally, you can generate script or generate function as well. For example, if I do like this, so this is going to create a function for you, and here you can change your file name. This is the file name, and that is going to work for the same range, same number of rows and columns for every file that you import the XLX file in MATLAB. This concludes the importing spreadsheet to the